Hey Russell fam, in today's video we are going to be doing a collaboration with At Home with Jill, and the title of the collaboration is Fun Fridays. Be back in just a second. Hi, my name is Becky and welcome to Russell's Loving Life. If you are new, we are so glad you are here. If you would please consider subscribing and clicking that little bell notification down at the bottom. We talk about all things homeschooling and homemaking. And we also have a blog, which is russellslovinglife.com. There I talk about tips and things that I have learned since I have been homeschooling since 2012. We also have a homeschool store there where you can get lots of homeschool supplies at discounted prices. So make sure to check those out. I will leave the link down in the description box so you can get there. If you are a returning Russell fam, I am so glad you are back. Like I said, today's video is a collaboration with Jill from At Home with Jill, and I'm going to leave the playlist down in the description box. There's going to be lots of other homeschool moms that are showing you what they do for their fun Fridays for their homeschool. If you have watched our videos, you know that we only homeschool 4 days a week, and that gives us the flexibility that we need if we want to take field trips one day during the week. So even though this is called Fun Fridays, it may not be a Friday for us. I use that extra day if there's doctor's appointments that we need to move some things around, so I don't feel so packed, and it just gives us the freedom to be able to do all of these fun things that I'm fixing to show you. Also, before all of this lockdown happened, we are a part of a homeschool group, and every month on the first Monday of every month, a local bowling alley would let homeschoolers come bowl, and the first Tuesday of every month was homeschool skate day at a local skating rink. And one of the trampoline parks would always do a homeschool jump on Fridays while school was in session before all this lockdown. So with us only doing school 4 days a week, it also gave us the freedom to do that. So here are some of the fun things that we have done for our Fun Fridays. Here you're going to see a picture of the kids bowling, and I talked about that earlier, how we used to go bowling with our homeschool group. And sometimes on Fridays, we have just been so busy the other rest of the days and we just need a break, so we just hang out in our pajamas and have some TV time. We also like to do lunch dates and eat ice cream. I am a firm believer that kids need to have lots of activities and be moving, and so we have lots of outside activities that we have done. We like to spend time at the beach when we go on vacation. And we typically leave on a Friday to go on vacation, so we get our beach time. The kids always love time at the driving range. Swimming is a must on those hot summer days. And we are currently working on our STEM project. So sometimes we work on that on Fridays. Most of the time it's on the weekends, on Saturdays and Sundays. And we're so excited, we finally have a door up. With some of the scrap material we had from our STEM project, Bailey and Mike decided to build a bike ramp, and the kids are testing it out here. And Becca finally got up enough courage to finally go off the front of it instead of the side, but I did not get that on video. And you never know when a martial arts practice is going to break out in the middle of the living room. Becca has officially signed up and she starts her first classes next week, but she has been involved with martial arts and Bailey's black belt journey since she was 3. No, she was younger than that. And so she has watched him from the time she started walking. So yeah, she was just a baby. And now she gets to experience herself, and she is so excited. And you've got to always remember to throw in those random family night games. And I don't recommend playing Jenga with an engineer. He's really good at it. And you gotta do some Lego building. Becca loves to sit and put Legos together. And finally, field trips. Field trips are always fun, educational. You can do them when you're on vacation. You can do them normally when we're not on lockdown, but field trips to historical places is something we love to do. I hope this video has given you some fun ideas of some things that you can incorporate into your homeschool, or just if you want to have a fun-filled day with your kids and not focus on the core subjects, just have a relaxed, fun day. Thank you to Jill for hosting this collaboration. Please make sure to check out her channel. She has an awesome channel. She does cleaning and homeschooling and lots of awesome things that I think you would love. And don't forget that the playlist will be down in the bottom, so you can check out all the other homeschool moms and see what kind of fun Friday ideas that they do. As always, remember to be kind, be careful, be considerate, and have a great day. Bye.